Just a little reminder here, when you are practicing alternate picking, don't practice alternate playing. Practice alternate picking. Focus on the picking hand. That's the whole thing. What are you doing? I'm practicing alternate picking. I see you fretting notes. So it looks like you're practicing both hands. Have focus and then mute the string with your, or fret a string, right? And then have no sound on your guitar, and then you can... You don't know how well you pick before you only pick. You don't know how good you are before you focus on what's actually going on. This muddies up the whole process. The brain tries to evaluate on two different hands doing two different things and is confused. So it's not learning. You cannot learn if you're confused. You can only learn if you're like super focused on what's going on there. So you play a triplet pattern of down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Fret a note. Because if you don't, if you just mute the string feels differently and it's a little bit higher up. And that means something when you're practicing. So fret it. The reason why I'm looking in that direction is because I'm accessing that part of my brain that's actually learning, you know. So with accents, da 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 da, right? In the surface of the string. But do focus only on one hand. Also, then you can use that skill to introduce some notes, but when you're really practicing alternate picking, you're only focused on this hand.